Hello, welcome dito sa new episode natin. So ngayon, nasa pinakaunang branch pala tayo ng Zarts dito sa buong Pilipinas. Is yung Zarts sa tapat ng Lasal Top. So ngayon, para sa bagong episode natin, meron tayong guest. So ang guest natin ay si Wowo. So siya naman kasama ang BSEE 4.2 ng POP Manila ang magtuturo sa atin kung paano ba gamitin yung Dialux. So tara na, dito sa new episode natin, ang Idiot's Guide natin para sa Dialux.
Good day! Ever wonder how this, and this are created? We all know that designing a dream house, a commercial building, or even a complex structure isn't easy. It is somehow complicated unless you're already familiar with software that is computer-based to aid in the design process. Right, Laika?
That's right, Luis! Today we are going to introduce you to one of the easiest and most efficient software that will allow you to have a sneak peek of your desired lamps and luminaires to be installed on your project structures by providing unique atmosphere that will give you a visualization of what the finished project would look like.
Let's hear it from our friend here. Hi, Wowo!
Hi, Laika and Luis. Well, let me introduce myself. I am Wowo, your personal guide to the world of Dialux. Dialux is a 3D graphics software developed and distributed by company Dial GmbH. Dialux is mostly used for indoor and also for outdoor lighting design. Different manufacturers of lamps and luminaires offer plugins for their products so that you can visualize how your finished product would look like. And I have good news for all of you. Dialux is a free of charge software so you can download and install it for free. Yes, completely and free.
That's really great, Wowo! You can really a big help.
Well, when we are talking about efficiency, you must be downloaded, accessed, and used easily, am I correct? It means it does not require a high specification of computer systems, right?
Absolutely! Besides being free of cost, computers with low specifications can also use me because my system requirement doesn't demand too much. You just need to have the specs. CPU with SSE to support, 4GB RAM being 2GB as its minimum, OpenGL 3.3 graphics card, OpenGL 3.0 graphics card, minimum resolution of 1024 by 768, and also minimum operating system of Windows 7, either 32-bit or 64-bit.
Oh, I see. You're really efficient. But where can we access your website and install your software?
You can access and download me at the Dialux website https://www.dialux.com/en-GB/download. Then, here you go. You can install it right away.
Now, Wowo, will you please teach us the basics so that we can have a brief overview of your commands and other controls?
Okay then, let's start. Here are my program controls. When you press the left key of the mouse, it will select a certain part or an area wherein you want to move or put something. On the other hand, when you press the right click, additional settings will show. Some computer mouses don't have a middle button or scroll wheel, but luckily if you have one, it can be used to pan. My main menu bar is composed of File pane, Edit pane, Insert pane, View pane, and Help or About pane. But we'll just skip File pane, Edit pane, Insert pane, and view pane, and let's just focus on help or about pane. In help or about pane, the buttons listed here redirects to website that can help and guide you through the way discovering more about the Dialux application. There are modes and display modes under help or about pane. The buttons under modes are 1. Save button, 2. Undo button, 3. Redo button, 4. Project button, 5. Construction button, 6. Light button, 7. Calculation objects button, 8. Export button, 9. Documentation button, 10. Manufacturer button, 11. Start calculation button, 12. Discard results button, 13. Set calculation button, 14. Light scenes button, 15. Light textures button, 16. Building and outdoor button, and last but not the least, 17. Results overview button. Display modes has also 14 distinct buttons. 1. Site display button is used to view the site. 2. Building view button is used to view the building constructed. 3. Story view button is used to view the individual stories of the building. 4. Room view button is used to view the selected room of the building. Number 5. View plan button is used to toggle between the different plans open in the program. Number 6. 3D render view button is used to view the entire building in 3D. Number 7. Floor plan view button is used to view the floor plan of the project. Number 8. Front view button is used to view the front view of the building. Number 9. Side view right button to view the building from the right. Number 10. Behind view button to view the building from behind. Number 11. Side view left button to view the building from the left. Number 12. Zoom button to view the entire perspective of the building. Number 13. Tape measure button is used to check the dimensions of a certain object of the project. And number 14. Coordinate system button is used to set the coordinate system. There are also display options. 1. Show or hide coordinate system is used to hide or show the coordinate system of a specific display mode. 2. North arrow is used to indicate the north of the project. 3. Guidelines. Toggle to display guidelines. 4. Contour. Toggle to display manually added contours. 5. Working planes. Toggle to display initial working plane. 6. Calculation surface or points. Toggle to display calculation surfaces and point which are used to determine photometric quantities. 7. Wireframe is used to show the surface edges of the objects as lines. 8. Graphic result is used to show results on individual surfaces. 9. Wire distribution curve, light distribution intensity of a specified luminaire. 10. LEO alignment, toggle to view the light emitting object luminaire alignment. 11. Room designation, toggle to hide or view the room designation. 12. Sky texture, toggle to remove the artificial sky created by Dialux for visualization. 13. False colors, toggle to view calculated light textures in false color. 14. Light texture, toggle to view the light textures of the luminaires. 15. Light visualization, used to visualize the light effect of the single selected luminaire into the CAD. Last but not the least, 16. Energy consumption, display the current energy consumption of the scene. And that's all for the basics. Did you catch all of that? Luis, Laika, and Dave?
Yes! Thank you, Wowo! Now that we are familiar with your basic controls and functions, we can now start designing our dream house. What do you think, Laika? Should we start the tutorial now?
Definitely, Luis. Now that we are equipped with knowledge, thanks to Wowo, we can now show them how this will turn into this one, and finally into this.
Okay then, Dave, the floor is yours now. So show us your skills.
Thank you, Luis. Hello, everyone. Hello, Wowo.
Hello, Dave!
Okay, before anything else, let me state that the first thing that we will show you guys is how to make your 2D plan into 3D model. Then we will proceed on how to insert doors, windows, and furniture. And then finally, we will teach you how to choose and insert luminaires and how to modify it. To start, we need to of course launch the app, then import our floor plan by clicking this, then locate and open the file that we need. In my case, this file. The first thing that we will notice after opening the file is the configuration of the plan on the upper left corner of the screen. It reads that we need to draw an origin and x-axis, so we need to set it by just clicking a point on our plan. It is up to you on where you will put it, but I'll just put the origin right here. And that's in this direction. Easy, right? After that, we will notice that another configuration shows up here. It reads specify scale, so we need to set the length by clicking on both ends of our drawing like this. And after that, just type the length of your plan. In my case, this is 15,085 or 15.085 meters. So we will just type it here, then click finish.
Okay, now that we've already imported the plan and finished setting it up, we can now turn this 2D plan into a 3D model. Wowo, can you help and tell us where we can find the tools to turn this plan into a 3D model?
Yes, of course. You just need to click the site display over here and then click this to start a new building. After that, you just need to determine the area of the building you are working with.
Thank you, Wowo. So as what Wowo have said, we need to set the area of the house. And to do that, we just need to click point to point on the outside parameter of our floor plan like this. Just click over here, right here, here, until we are back on the first point that we made and click it again.
Nice one, Dave! Now if we click this box over here, we can see that our house has walls now. But we still need to set the division of the rooms. So Dave, can you teach us how to do that?
For sure! But first, let's change the view into 2D by clicking this L shape right here so we can easily see where we will set the division of rooms from our floor plan. Now that we're back on 2D view, we can now start by choosing this Draw New Indoor Contour on the Story and Building Construction panel. And just click on the first corner of the room like this, and then trace the shape of the room by clicking on every corner like this, until we're back on the first point and voila! We have one room division!
Wow, Dave! You are good! Can you show us one more time how to do it?
No problem. I'll demonstrate one more time on how to set room division inside your house. First, click this tool over here, and then click on one corner of the room that you wish to set the division. After that, you can work your way over every corner of the room until you are back to the first point that you made. And just click like this, and that's it! Now, I'll just finish setting room division inside my house, and then we can proceed on making doors and windows after.
Okay, now that we are finally done making our 3D model and setting room divisions, we can start putting windows and doors into our house. Wowo, can you tell us how we can choose the windows and doors for our house and how to do it?
Sure thing! Just locate the aperture tool over here, then choose your preferred window design. I'll just choose this rectangular window and then click this tool which reads Add New Building Opening, and then draw a line on the location of your window like this. I have great functionality, so the building aperture, or window in this case, will automatically adapt the thickness of the wall, so you don't need to adjust it manually. If you wish to change the dimensions of your window, just right-click on it like this, then select Scale. You can stretch it like this, or you make it wide like this. It's up to you and your preference, but I'll just keep it as is. Did you catch all of that, Dave?
Yes, thanks Wowo. So as mentioned by Wowo, we need to choose a window and then click this guy over here. And then draw a line on the floor plan where we wish to have a window.
I'll just draw the window over here, right here, here, and then I'll just finish drawing all the windows on the floor plan. You can have different types of windows in different locations. But in my case, I'll just stick with using this rectangular window type. Now that we've finished drawing all the windows, let's see what it looks like in 3D view. Wow! It looks more like a house now than before we put all the windows. But we still don't have any doors. Wowo, can you help us insert doors?
Of course! I got you! It's just as easy as inserting windows. Still on aperture, select a door type of your liking and then click again over here. After that, you can start drawing your doors on your preferred locations. Note that, when drawing your doors, you need to consider where it will open so that you know where to draw it. For example, here, this door will open like this, so you need to draw your door right here. Did you get it? Okay, let's draw another one over here. So since it will open in this direction, we need to draw the door on the side like this. It's easy, right? Just repeat the steps until you draw all the doors of your house.
It's just that easy? Wow, you're really amazing! So now that we are done building our 3D model, we can proceed to painting its walls, doors, and windows to make it aesthetically pleasing. Luis, are you ready to take the floor and teach us how to do it?
Of course, I was born ready. But before that, Wowo, can you assist and show them the section where we can change the color of the materials?
Yes, sure, Luis. We just have to click the material section located on the left side and this will appear. Then click the material that we want to paint. We can now see the properties of the material and modify its color and texture.
Thank you, Wowo.
First, let's start the exterior walls. So let's click the wall and select the color. Wowo, what color do you prefer?
Yellow would be great, Luis.
Not said on that, Wowo. We just have to input the RGB color code for yellow, which is 245, 245, and 69, and adjust the saturation to your liking. Then click apply material, and repeat it to the other walls.
That's amazing, Luis. That is extremely simple.
Yes, it is very easy to do. We can now choose the color of our interior walls. What color would you like to paint it?
Lemon chiffon will be cute.
Okay, Wowo. Let's now input the RGB color code 255-250-205. Then click Apply Material and voila! The interior wall is painted. We just have to do the process again to the other walls.
How about the floors, the doors, the windows?
You just have to repeat the process we have done on the walls.
Hey, that's nice. Thank you, Luis. Wow! Our house is slowly coming together. But I think something is missing.
I think I know what it is, Wowo.
What is it?
We need to put furniture to fill our house.
Oh, you're right, Luis. But how do we place furniture inside our house?
I can help you with that, Wowo. What room should we design first?
I think we can start in the lunch area.
Okay, Wowo. First, we have to click the Furniture and Objects section on the left part of the screen, and this is what it looks like. Then click Select. A small box will appear with 4 tabs including Objects, Favorites, Folders, and Catalogs. Within the Catalog tab, we just have to click this file, which we have already downloaded earlier. You can download it on this link. After clicking the file, we will notice that this window will appear that contains home furniture, office furniture, sanitary, and the like. Since we are designing our lounge area, we will go to the Home Furniture tab, then click the Upholder Furniture. Then choose a sofa that we like. And for me, I like this. And click Apply. Take note that to easily insert the furniture, we should be in the floor plan view. We just need to click this, located on the upper right corner. And now we can insert the furniture by clicking this. Then click the place where we want to put it. Did you get it, Wowo?
Yes, that's a lot of information, but I get what you are saying.
So let's proceed.
Go ahead, Luis.
So to insert another sofa or furniture, we just have to repeat the process. Click Select. Then double click the downloaded file under the Catalogs tab. Choose the furniture we want to use. Apply. Click Place Individual Object and click the space where we want to place the furniture. After we place the sofa, if we will be using the same sofa or furniture, we just have to click the Place Individual Object again, then situate it. Also, if we wish to rotate the furniture, we can do it by editing the rotation angle under the Positioning tab. We can input 90, 180, or any angle we want to rotate it. Since we are turning it to the right, we will input 270 or -90. And tada! The furniture is rotated. We can now place it beside the sofa to complete the sofa set. Once the furniture is properly placed, we can now go back to 3D view and see what it looks like. Then return again to the floor plan view to continue placing furniture to other rooms by repeating the process.
Wow, wow, wow! Our house is looking nice and cozy. I'm so happy with what it looks like. And now that we're done with the floor plan, let us now proceed with the lighting tutorial.
Hey Laika, it's your turn now. Enlighten us with your skills.
I see what you did there. Okay then, me and Wowo will show you the basics of lighting.
Alright, now let's start with the tabs. If you are now done with the flooring, just click the lights tab here. In this tab, you can see there are many commands that are associated with lighting. Below these commands is the active luminaire command. In this command, we can choose the luminaire that we will put into our design.
Can we choose specific models or brands?
Yes, of course. I will show you how. Just click on the active luminaire tab and click the catalog command. You can choose different brands in this section, and if you're not contented with the given selection, we can manually install some other catalogs online.
Wow, that's crazy!
Crazy good, right? just click the Manufacturers tab and select your desired catalog. Next, click it and select Start Catalog Online. And then you can select the desired product that you will use from the company that you chose. Then select Add Project. And now that we have chosen our luminaire, we just drag and drop it to our floor plan. After that, we will just go to the 3D view panel. And voila! The luminaire is now there. And if you want to simulate the lighting on the product, just click the luminaire and then display options and select show light visualization.
Let us have another example. In our room number 1, we want to put some lights in our empty room. Again, just select Active Luminaire and then select what you want. After you select it, it will now be active and we can use it. There below the tab, we can see the photo numeric data section, which shows us the different properties of the luminaire such as flux and watts. Then we can arrange the luminaire in many ways by selecting the arrangement command. In this example, we can use the line arrangement command for our luminaire. We will just click 2 points or line by line and then it's done. We can also rotate the luminaire in our desired position. And we can also adjust the number of them by simply adding the numbers in the number of luminaire section.
And for the fun part, we will now calculate the light scene in order to see how the light will strike through the room.
That is very exciting! Show us how!
It is very simple. We will just click Calculate Active Light Scene, select Light Scene 1, and then just start the calculation. Then, we just wait. And with rendering being finished, now we can see the lux or illumination of the given room. And then, if we want to explore the view of the room, we will just click Results Overview. Just remember, if you want to add more luminaires and lamp, just go to the active luminaire, drag, and then drop. Now let's design the rest of the rooms. Now that we have designed and inserted luminaires in all of our rooms, come on, let us showcase and explore them.
Guys, we're already done with our project. Let's meet.
We've already completed our job, which is great. So how about you, Luis? What did you learn for today?
Today, I learned a lot of things. It is very fun to create something out of scratch from 2D floor plan to its 3D.
Yes, I think Dialux is a very pretty cool app and it is easy to use. We just need to familiarize ourselves with all the commands.
Yes, we all know how difficult it is to design a dream house or commercial building. It is really tricky unless you're already comfortable with computer-based design applications, and Dialux paved the way in order for us to have an instant simulation of our lighting for every building.
Right. Dialux is a free multi-app that can plan, calculate, and visualize lighting for indoor and outdoor regions ranging from entire buildings and individual rooms to parking spots and road illuminations.
We really appreciate you, Wowo.
Yes, it is so fun and very informative.
Right, to our dear viewers, what did you learn?
Goodbye! Sayonara!
Adios!
Hope to see you again!